Next, 41st point of indefinite integration. This is bit different from the model which we mentioned at 40th point. For 40th point we have a plus b cos x by a cos x plus b whole square type, but here the numerator is simply 1, denominator is a cos x plus b whole square. See, for the integrals of the type 1 by a cos x plus b whole square or for 1 by a sin x plus b whole square, we need to proceed in this method. And how to proceed? See, if the problem is 1 by a cos x plus b whole square, first step we need to take a is equals to some sin x by a cos x plus b. That is the substitution required. So after having a, calculate dA by dx and then try to express dA by dx as 1 by cos x plus b. In terms of 1 by a cos x plus b, we need to express that dA by dx. These three steps helps to solve this type of problem. Right. Now coming to the problem. Integral 1 by 5 plus 4 cos x whole square dx, this is what we need to calculate. As a first step, what I am taking is, you just say this integral value as I. At the end, my task is to find I, right? I need to evaluate the integral of this function. That final integral value is I. I need to find I. Okay. Then to answer this problem, you just move with these three steps. What is the first step? Same. You just take a is equals to sin x divided by a cos x plus b. Here what we have? 4 cos x plus 5. Right? So first step is clear. Then what is the next step? The next step is we need to calculate dA by dx. Okay? Then dA by dx is equals to derivative of this with respect to x. Numerator by denominator. U by v rule. Denominator 4 cos x plus 5 into derivative of numerator. Derivative of sin x is cos x minus numerator sin x into derivative of denominator 4 cos x, so minus 4 sin x divided by denominator whole square 4 cos x plus 5 whole square. See, little bit just observe this, okay? No need to write it each and every step, okay? 4 cos x into cos x is 4 cos square x minus sin x into minus 4 sin x is 4 sin square x. This 4 cos square x and that 4 sin square x will become 4 along with this 5 cos x. So finally what we have? This dA by dx is equals to 4 plus 5 cos x divided by 4 cos x plus 5 whole square dx. Okay. What's the next step? We need to express this dA by dx in terms of 1 by a cos x plus b. Like that we need to express. So how to proceed? This is 4 plus 5 cos x, right? I may write it like 4 cos x. Just proceed. Just have a look. 4 plus 5 cos x by 4 cos x plus 5 whole square dx. So because of space I erased it. Okay, dA by dx is 4 plus 5 cos x by 5 plus 4 cos x whole square. Now we need to simplify it completely in terms of 1 by a cos x plus b. That means 5 plus 4 cos x type lo మనం completely simplify చేయాలి. So this is equals to 4 cos x plus 5 I need, but I have 5 cos x in the numerator. I need to make this 5 as 4. So divide with 5, multiply with 4. Okay, so 4 by 5. Here we have 5 cos x, right? 4 by 5. So I need to use 4 cos x. Okay. So express 5 cos x. Okay. See, 4 cos x can be written as 5 by 4. If I write 5 by 4 of 4 cos x, if you multiply 5 by 4 into 4, you will get 5 cos x. Okay. 4 cos x plus 5 I get plus 5. 5 by 4 of 4 cos x plus 5 is 5 cos x, and this 5 by 4 into 5 is 25 by 4. To balance, just minus 25 by 4 plus 4 divided by 5 plus 4 cos x whole square. And then if you simplify dA by dx, this implies dA by dx is equals to 5 by 4 of 4 cos x plus 5 by 4 cos x plus 5 whole square. So this is equals to 5 by 4 into integral 5 plus 4 cos x by 5 plus 4 cos x, right? 1 by 5 plus 4 cos x dx. And then this is what? Minus 25 by 4 plus 4. 4 4 is 16. Minus 25 plus 16 is minus 9 by 4. Minus 9 by 4 into integral of 1 by 5 plus 4 cos x whole square dx, right? Minus 9 by 4 into 1 by 5 plus 4 cos x whole square. Minus 9 by 4 into integral 1 by what? This 5 plus 4 cos x whole square. And if you observe this clearly, what will happen? This implies dA by dx is equals to 5 by 4 into integral of 5 by 4 plus, just a minute, okay? Directly I am taking integral also, okay? Actually integration leduga, నేను ఇక్కడ ఈ టూ టర్మ్స్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ రాశానంటే ఇటు కూడా ఇంటిగ్రల్ రాయాలి. ఇంటిగ్రల్ ఆఫ్ dA by dx is equals to 5 by 4 into integral 1 by 5 plus 4 cos x dx minus 9 by 4 into I. This is I, right? And that I involved here, that I we need to find at the end. Integral of dA by dx ante it is simply a with respect to dx we need to apply, right? So integral of dA by dx with respect to dx. ఈ సింప్లిఫికేషన్ లో ప్రతి టర్మ్ కి డైరెక్ట్ గా ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ కూడా అప్లై చేశాను. dA by dx కి ఇంటిగ్రల్ విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు x and then 5 by 4 into 1 by 5 plus 4 cos x and then minus 9 by 4 into I. Okay, this is a plus we need to find that I actually 9 by 4 I is equals to 5 by 4 into integral of 1 by 5 plus 4 cos x dx. అండ్ ఈ టైప్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయడం కోసం ఆల్రెడీ మన దగ్గర డిఫరెంట్ మెథడ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. బై టేకింగ్ t ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు tan x by 2 అది యూజ్ చేయాలి. బై టేకింగ్ t ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు tan x by 2 ఈ వాల్యూ కనుక మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తే ఆల్రెడీ మనం డిస్కస్ చేసాం, మేబీ అగైన్ at 36 and 37 పాయింట్లో డిస్కస్ చేస్తే ద వాల్యూ ఇంటిగ్రల్ ఆఫ్ దట్ 1 by 5 plus 4 cos x dx విల్ బికమ్ సో ఏమవుతుందంటే 5 by 4 it is, okay, 2 by 3 into tan inverse tan x by 2 by 3 అవుతుంది. ఓకే, ఈ వాల్యూ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, బికాస్ ఆఫ్ ద స్పేస్ అండ్ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ టైం ఐ am not mentioning here. This is nothing but 2 by 3 into tan inverse of tan x by 2 by 3 అవుతుంది. ఇది ఎలా క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలో తెలియకపోతే you just refer 36 37 points once again. Okay, from there you just make I as a subject now. నాకు I కావాలి కదా. So this implies 9 by 4 I is equals to 5 by 4 into 2 by 3 అంటే 5 by 6 tan inverse of tan x by 2 by 3 minus a. Again a అంటే ఈ వాల్యూ రీప్లేస్ చేయాలి. ఓకేనా? సో ఇట్లాంటి ప్రాబ్లం ఇన్వాల్వ్ అయినప్పుడు దిస్ ఈస్ ద స్టాండర్డ్ వే టు ప్రొసీడ్. ఇది కాకుండా ఇఫ్ యూ ఆర్ అటెంప్టింగ్ అన్ ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్ ఆప్షన్స్లో ఉన్న వాటిని డిఫరెన్షియేట్ చేసి కూడా చేయొచ్చు. ఓకేనా? సో నాకు I కావాలి. సో ఈ 9 by 4 ని తీసుకెళ్ళిపోయి యూ జస్ట్ మల్టిప్లై దిస్ 2 with 4 by 9 and clearly you will get I and that I is the integral of this function. ఓకే, 40th పాయింట్ లో ఏం డిస్కస్ చేసామో జాగ్రత్తగా అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. 40th పాయింట్ లో a plus b cos x by a cos x plus b whole square, but first పాయింట్ లో just simply 1 by a cos x plus b whole square dx. To answer this type of problems you need to take a as sin x by a cos x plus b, do differentiation, express that dA by dx in terms of 1 by a cos x plus b, after that apply integral. So at the end this is the way to solve. Step by step ఒక స్టాండర్డ్ ప్రొసీజర్ చెప్పుకుంటున్నాం మనం ఇక్కడ. ఓకేనా? వన్స్ ఇఫ్ యూ ఫీల్ ఎనీ డిఫికల్టీ ఆర్ కన్ఫ్యూజన్ విత్ దిస్ మెథడ్స్ and if you are attempting an objective examination then leave about all these methods, you just go with some shortcut tricky methods or from option to question, like that we need to move. Okay, at the end just make I as subject at the end and that I is our integral value. Okay, చూడండి జాగ్రత్తగా ఒకసారి, that's the problem.